Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel and my name is Waf. And for today's video, i-share ko sa inyo guys yung aking mobile phone vlogging setup na ginagamit kong pang-film na ina-upload ko sa aking YouTube channel. Alright, so since hindi pa naman tayo kumikita or wala talaga akong budget pa to upgrade my equipment. So for the meantime, ito yung gamit kong setup right now for creating my content. So, hopefully, pag naka-LL na tayo guys, pag nakaluwag-luwag na tayo, or meron tayong budget, or nakaipon na tayo ng pera to upgrade our equipment, siguro, hopefully, marating natin yung stage na yun. Pero dun sa mga nagbabalak mag-start ng kanilang channel this year, so this is the perfect setup for you that you can use as your reference to start your channel. And there you have it guys. So, yun nga yung share ko sa inyo yung mga equipment na nabili ko. Pinag-ipunan ko siya guys, hindi siya isang buhos na bili. So, inuunti-unti ko siya. So, sinulong sa mounts, sa tripod, tapos nagpabili ako ng microphone, ganyan. So, pwede nyo siyang gawin na unti-untiin nyo siya. And for the meantime, this is the best and perfect setup for those people who would like to start their channel. Since wala pa naman tayong pambili ng mga mamahaling equipment or filming equipment, ito muna yung pwede natin gawin for the meantime para makapag-start ng channel. And hopefully, pag nagkaroon na tayo ng budget, we can upgrade our equipment so we can level up our game in terms of filming equipment. So, yun. So, I hope may nakuha kayong tips and nagkaroon kayo ng idea na pwede nyo gamitin yung inyong phone to start your YouTube channel. Shoutout kay Amart Luwil Sustal, Anselo Honrado, CJ Duenas Guno, Catherine Cruda, Daphne Cadarao, Jeffrey Oliveres, John Jewel, Joseph Pangpangdio, June Ortiz, Justin Panela, Queen AJ, Luis Miguel Balen Arcayan, Mary Joy Cortez Katulang, Mike Laure, Pax Acosta, Rome CD, Ray Sabalande, Samantha Guevara, Sean Ariel Reyes de los Santos, and Sheng Ying. So, hi guys! So, ayun guys, I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. You can also comment down below kung ano pa yung pwede yung suggestions or tips or accessories na pwede yung i-recommend sa akin na gamitin ko to get more better or to get a better video or a better content. So you can also comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the notification bell para updated ka every time I upload a new video. So dun sa mga nag-subscribe na sa video sa channel ko, thank you so much. Road to 500 subscribers na tayo guys, so help me to reach 500 subscribers para happy tayong lahat, okay? So again, I can also follow me on my social media accounts. Nandiyan siya sa baba. So feel free to add me or to follow me on my social media account, and I'll be more than happy to connect with you guys, alright? So again, my name is Waf, and thank you so much for watching this video. Enjoy the rest of the day. See you on my next vlog. Bye for now. Have a great hair day.